Hey Stampers, I know it's not my normal time, but this tip is so fantastic. It's make your own strawberry patch in just a few minutes. So I wanted to share it with you so that if you can't find this information in one of my longer videos, you can find it in this little short clip because we are going to make this strawberry patch go really quickly. So grab your new sweet strawberry stamp set and you can make this card too. Or, well, actually, I'm not even gonna show you a card. I'm just gonna show you the technique. So basically what I did, take a piece of cardstock. This dark color is nice because I can see easily. Go ahead and punch it with the strawberry builder punch. Then use this as a mask for your stamping. So set it down and you know exactly where it can fit. Like who would know, right, if a strawberry would fit there? We would, because we have this handy mask. I'm gonna lay this down on top of our stamping spot, and then I'm going to just start stamping through the holes. And I do like to stamp off my strawberry ones before I put the body of it in there. And then here's another neat trick. You can use this mask to mount your stamps. So if I'm gonna be stamping these two stamps over and over again, why would I do them individually when they're both gonna be the same color of Granny Apple Green? So I'm gonna lay them in the mask to pick them up. They're already a little dirty. And then I just know that when I stamp them every time, they'll match my mask perfectly. Now I haven't done that with the overlays, so you don't have to worry too much if you don't have a larger block handy, but if you do have a larger block handy, then that's perfect. So basically in just a couple minutes here, I've stamped an entire sheet of strawberries, and all I have to do is start punching them out and add them to my card. Now, if you're not exactly sure what you're going to make with all your pieces, you of course can just store them in a little clear bag. I highly recommend using clear envelopes to store your pieces. These are the pages from my perpetual birthday calendar that I haven't quite finished yet. Anyway, you get the idea. But this is a really quick way to make a whole mess of strawberries for your strawberry patch and be able to use the tools just really efficiently to enjoy your stamping and have the things that you need at your fingertips. So thanks so much for tuning in for just a couple seconds, and happy stamping.